I am here to introduce you to a new product from WiSys. It is built on our Agility application framework. It is designed to work on the web, so we're calling it Agility Web Explorer, abbreviated as AW. So I want to build on that. So if you were to go over to the web and search on WiSys applications, the WiSys applications are built to really do transactions in real time. And so far we have applications that run on scan guns and desktop PCs, which really help people capture information in their inventory and movement at the first touch point. That first touch point is important because it's capturing the data when you really grab it the first time, and you're avoiding having to write things down and to key them in later. So I'm going to ask now, where is your first touch point? And sometimes that first touch point may not be on your desktop PC or a PC out in the shop. Maybe it's just not even on a scan gun, but what if you had a different device, in any place that could run and do transactions in Macola? So that's what we're going to talk about today is advancing to a new touch point. So there are a lot of things that are smart. I wanted to take a look at something, and I have a problem that this Agility application is so hot. So let's take a look at that. Everybody's been talking about Internet of Things. You have your smart TV. Check out my fridge. It's pretty smart. But what's really interesting is how hot Agility is. I have to keep my Agility application on my tablet in the fridge because it's absolutely so hot. We're going to take a little bit more look here, but let's get started checking out Agility and how it works. All right, a little levity there, I hope. The Agility Web Explorer. I've got some bullets, you know, the who, what, why, when, and where type stuff. Who can use this product? Well, if you're using Macola on Progression SQL, if you're using Macola ES or Macola EM10, then you can use this product. So that just about covers the entire universe of Macola customers that can use the Agility Web Explorer. Well, what's it for? It's for the presentation of Macola information, so you can have your Macola information where you want it, and you can even do transactions in a browser. So it's not an app, it's a browser. And when's it going to be available? Well, we're hoping it's going to be fall this year, at least fall before it snows in Ohio. Where will it work? It works in a browser, as I mentioned, on a PC, a tablet, or a smartphone. So sometimes you get those big smartphones that are 7 inches and almost barely fit in your pocket. Those are pretty handy for looking at data anymore. Why might you need it? Well, because you're looking for a device that's beyond your PC or a handheld scanner. We have people many times that ask us, can we run this application on something else besides this or that? And so the answer is going to be yes today. And how does it work? The Agility Web application is designed to work inside of IIS. You load an application into your IIS, it uses Windows authentication, and that's how you make your browser connection. I've got a screenshot here, and I'll get into it a little bit more in a minute, but this is Macola 10, and just as we have embedded our existing desktop application in Macola, you can now plug in this browser application right into a Macola 10 screen and just drop a component right in. You can run the Agility Web Explorer directly off your browser. I mean, you can just have a link, a favorite, and just pull it right up. You can run it in your iPad. So this is my iPad sitting on my desk, and you can see that as you use the application, it resizes automatically to the size of your screen. And if you have a small enough device, you can get a few fields to display, maybe just the ones you want.